Hello everyone, Rebekah here. My channel is about mixed media and more. Join me for art journaling, paintings, handmade books or journals and everything else I come up with. I'm back with week 15. This time my first layer for the mini canvas from a recycled cardboard was Gesso. And in case you are new here, I will have an iCard with the playlist of my weekly challenge for a mini canvas made out of recycled cardboard. I have planned to bind them into a book at the end of the year, and I do use both sides of the cardboard. But said that doesn't mean you have to follow very strict. I just wanted to inspire you doing your own art. There is no everything with wing polish around, so just have fun and do what you like. The next layer is some printed tissue paper from Rebekah Meier. As usual, I'm gonna use Mod Podge to glue it down. With an applicator, I lay down some distress ink in mustard seed. Next, I stamp randomly some gears with the color Fired Brick. I also just lightly color a piece of mixed media paper with some distress ink in tea dye. Next, I'm gonna stamp a guy on this background. It is from a stamp set from Brett Weldele called Steampunk Selfies by Stamper Anonymous. Next, I'm gonna fussy cut it. As you have seen me many times fussy cutting, I will show only a little bit of this process. I guess we all know by now how to fussy cut things. If not, just leave me a comment. As usual, I add color to the edges, just to get rid of the white borders. I have a whole pile of magazine cutouts. I tear and cut out whatever seems interesting for me for collaging. In this pile I did find these wings. Of course you don't have the same wings, but any wing you like will work. Again, I will edit out some of the fuzzy cutting. The guy was a little bit lost on this busy background, so I covered most of it up with some white gesso. Yes, that's the way I roll. If I don't like it, I go over it. But the white wasn't the solution either, so back again with distress ink. My next step is to give some 3D effect by hand embossing with the ball tool. Yep, I better check that the guy goes in the right direction. With some project it is very clear what I have to do. This wasn't certainly one of those. Now I'm wondering if it is because it is a guy. Sorry, couldn't resist a little joke. I hope you don't mind. As I said, it wasn't my project. Even the camera decided not to film the part where I added some more stamping and the quote that I have printed on the computer. But I think you get the idea. Till next time!